Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Let me ask you a simple question. Have you ever wondered why some people earn a normal salary but still build wealth, while others earn more and still live paycheck to paycheck? The answer is not income. The answer is habits. Today I'm going to share 10 powerful saving habits that rich and financially stable people follow, often without even realizing it. These habits are simple. They are realistic. And anyone living anywhere in the world can apply them. So if you truly want financial peace, financial freedom, and long-term wealth, watch this video till the end. Because sometimes one small habit can completely change your future. So let's get started. Habit number 1, live below your means. Living below your means simply means spending less than you earn, always. It doesn't mean living a poor life. It means living a smart life. Many people increase their spending as soon as their income increases. But wealthy people often do the opposite. They understand one important truth. It's not about how much money you make, it's about how much money you keep. For example, imagine you qualify for a $2,200 per month apartment. The bank approves it, the landlord accepts you, but instead, you choose a $1,500 apartment. That $700 difference every month becomes $8,400 per year. That money can be saved, invested, or used to eliminate debt. Now think about this over 5 or 10 years. That one decision alone can completely change your financial future. One more example. Instead of financing a brand new car with monthly payments, interest, and expensive insurance, you drive a paid-off used car. It may not look flashy, but it gives you peace, flexibility, and extra savings every month. And honestly, many truly wealthy people don't drive luxury cars every year. They focus more on financial freedom than public approval. Living below your means is not a sacrifice, it's freedom, because when your expenses stay low, your stress also stays low. Habit number 2, avoid lifestyle inflation. Lifestyle inflation happens when your income increases and your expenses increase with it. You get a raise, and suddenly your phone, clothes, car, vacations, and lifestyle all upgrade. This is one of the biggest reasons people stay financially stuck. Many people earn more every year, but they never actually become wealthier. Why? Because every extra dollar gets spent. For example, you receive a salary raise or bonus. Instead of upgrading your phone or buying expensive gadgets, you increase your retirement contributions or investments. Your future self benefits from this decision. Another example, after a promotion, you continue cooking at home instead of eating out more often. Your income increased, but your spending discipline stayed the same. That difference matters. Because small monthly savings invested consistently can grow massively over time. And remember this, a higher income should improve your future, not just your lifestyle. This habit alone can completely change your financial life. Habit number 3, differentiate needs versus wants. This habit sounds simple, but it's extremely powerful. Needs support life, wants support comfort. The problem starts when we treat wants like needs. Modern marketing constantly tells us you deserve this, buy this, upgrade this. But financially successful people pause and ask themselves one important question. Do I truly need this? For example, groceries are a need. You must eat. But frequent restaurant dining is a want. Actually, cooking at home can save hundreds of dollars every month. And not only money, it can also improve your health. Another example, internet service is a need in today's world. But do you really need the highest speed premium plan if you mostly check emails and watch basic videos? That is the real question. Sometimes we spend extra money for features we rarely use. The goal is not to stop enjoying life, The goal is to spend intentionally, not emotionally. Knowing the difference between needs and wants helps you take control of your money instead of letting your money control you. Habit number 4. Build an emergency fund. Life is unpredictable. Cars break down. Medical expenses appear. Jobs can change. Unexpected situations happen to everyone, and without an emergency fund, every surprise becomes debt. That's why financially stable people always prepare before problems arrive. For example, saving 3 to 6 months of living expenses in a high-yield savings account gives you security. It doesn't make you rich overnight, but it protects you from financial disaster. Another example, when your car suddenly needs repairs, you can use emergency savings instead of swiping a credit card. No stress, no panic, no high interest payments. That feeling of security is priceless. An emergency fund gives you breathing room. It protects your financial progress, and it prevents temporary problems from becoming long-term financial struggles. Even starting small matters. You don't need thousands of dollars immediately. Start with whatever you can. Consistency is more important than perfection. Habit number 5, buy value, not status. True wealth is often invisible. Many wealthy people choose value, not status symbols. They care more about quality, usefulness, and long-term value than impressing strangers. For example, you can choose reliable brands instead of luxury brands that cost more only because of the logo. Sometimes the quality is very similar, but the price difference stays in your pocket. Another example, you buy a basic smartphone that meets your needs instead of the most expensive version. It works well, it lasts long, and it saves hundreds of dollars. Here's something important to understand. Many people spend money they don't have to impress people who honestly don't care. Real wealth is not about looking rich. It's about having financial freedom. The less you need validation from others, the stronger your financial life becomes. Habit number 6, use high-yield savings accounts. Money that sits idle slowly loses value because of inflation. That's why high-yield savings accounts matter. A normal savings account may pay almost no interest, but a high-yield savings account allows your money to grow while staying safe and accessible. For example, keep your emergency fund in an online high-yield savings account. Instead of earning near zero interest, your money can earn around 4 to 5% APY depending on the market. That is basically extra money for doing almost nothing. And over time, even small interest earnings add up. This habit is simple, but very effective. Financially smart people make sure every dollar has a purpose. Even idle cash should work for you, because wealthy people understand one thing very clearly. Small advantages repeated over time create big results. Habit number 7, learn basic personal finance. Continuously. Money doesn't grow by luck. It grows by understanding. That's why it is extremely important to learn personal finance and understand important financial concepts. The sad reality is many schools teach people how to work for money, but very few teach how money actually works. Financial education changes everything. For example, learn how compound interest works. You will realize that starting early matters more than investing huge amounts. Even small investments made consistently over many years can grow into something powerful. Another example, understand tax-advantaged accounts like 401k, HSA, and Roth IRA. This knowledge helps you keep more of what you earn. And honestly, financial knowledge pays lifelong dividends. The more you understand money, the better decisions you make. Read books. Watch educational videos. Listen to podcasts. Learn from financially disciplined people, because one good financial lesson can save you thousands of dollars. Habit number 8, avoid emotional spending. Emotions can become very expensive. Stress, boredom, sadness, and even excitement often lead to unnecessary purchases. Many people don't buy things because they truly need them. They buy things because they want temporary emotional comfort. But the happiness usually fades quickly, while the bill remains. For example, after a tough day, instead of shopping online, you can take rest, go for a walk, exercise, or spend time with family and friends. Your bank account will thank you later. Another example. Stop buying constant upgrades that only give short-term emotional satisfaction. Instead, control your emotions. Because when you control your emotions, you control your money. Financial discipline is often emotional discipline. Sometimes the best purchase decision is deciding not to purchase at all. Habit number 9. Use credit cards for control, not lifestyle. Understand this clearly. Credit cards are tools, not extra income. Used incorrectly, they can trap people in years of debt. But used wisely, they can provide convenience, rewards, and financial flexibility. The key is self-control. For example, use credit cards only for planned expenses and pay the balance off every month. No interest, no stress, no unnecessary burden. Never spend money just because a credit limit exists. A credit card should support your budget, not destroy it. Many financially successful people use credit cards strategically, but they never allow debt to control their lives. Remember, if you cannot pay it off comfortably, you probably should not buy it. Habit number 10. Associate with financially conscious people. Your environment influences your habits more than you realize. Spending habits are contagious. Saving habits are contagious. Even financial mindsets are contagious. Often, the people around you shape your decisions. For example, friends who constantly overspend may pressure you into spending too. But people who normalize budgeting, saving, investing, and discipline encourage better financial behavior. Good habits spread. That's why surrounding yourself with financially responsible people matters. You don't need rich friends. You need wise friends. People who think long-term. People who value peace over showing off. People who understand discipline. Because eventually, your environment either supports your growth or slows it down. So let me say this clearly. Getting rich is not about doing something extraordinary once. It's about doing ordinary things consistently. These habits may not feel exciting today, but they create freedom tomorrow. Wealth is rarely built overnight. It is built slowly, quietly, and intentionally. One smart decision, one disciplined habit, 1 month at a time. And the beautiful part is this: anyone can start. No matter where you are financially right now, you can begin improving your habits today. So choose one habit from this video and start practicing it immediately. Your future self will thank you for it. If you found value in this video, subscribe and share it with someone who needs this message. And comment below, which habit do you think is the most powerful? Remember, wealth is built quietly, one habit at a time. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.